Good morning, Philippines!
Oh God. Guys, tignan nyo guys. Anyari sa mundo. Good morning po guys. Tignan nyo kung anong nangyari ngayon. Problema ito. Ay, kawawa naman yung mga tanim ko dun. Tignan nyo yan. No. Tignan nyo tong isa. Why you don't turn the light on? Seriously? Good morning. It's snowy time, snowy day. Snow last night. This is going to melt very soon, right? This is going to melt very soon. Kawawa naman yun.
It's 2 degrees colder now than it was at 4 o'clock in the morning.
Really?
Yeah.
It's colder. Shit. What is the temperature?
30.
30. My God. Oh, that's for sure my stuff over there will die. What the
I thought
heck?
it was going to be freezing.
What the heck? In May, guys. May is supposedly be like 60, 70,
67.
65 to 70. May. Kaloka naman ito eh. Look at him. It's freezing. Look at nakarob pa stami. It's cold outside. Gutom yung mga anak niya. Tignan nyo nga. Kaya magkasakit yung mga tao guys. Kasi grabe. I think they're done. You done? Pati yung, even the neighbor, they have flowers hanging in their shed.
Dead.
No, they take it off. They take it. Morning guys. Grabe, kagigising ko lang talaga. And then ito yung naabutan ko. Pagising, tignan natin itong ano natin dito sa garage. Yung mga alaga natin. Buhay pa ba? Hey, buhay pa kayo, di ba? Buhay pa kayo? Ay, kaloka. Ay, nanay. Iwan ko na lang. Pakita ko sa inyo kung pag wala na, pag okay na yung panahon, pakita ko sa inyo kung okay na ba yung ano. Kung hindi ba sila namamatay. Pero ito, na-shock oh. Na-shock siya. Oh my God, yung ano ko, string beads ko, oh, yung batong ko. Kumibol talaga silang lahat, guys. Pati yung tomato na-shock. Ito, okay lang to. Yung sa kanya yung temperature dito. Ito siya. Okay lang. Ito yung latest natin. Yun ang mga strawberries natin. Okay naman sila. So, dito yung ano din ito. Alitos. Yun ako. Anyari sa mundo. Anyway, kakain lang ako guys. Kagigising ko lang talaga din. Kinakain lang ni Tami yung mga alaga niya. Kailangan ko lang uminom ng tubig. Hi, Bag! Come out! Okay, let's see. Okay, nagapit na natin ha. Ayos talaga siya guys. Oh, nag-ahala. Ayos talaga siya. Tignan nyo yan guys, ayos oh. Oh my God. Look what happened. Oh my God. Patay lagi guys. Patay ito sila. Hindi ito mabubuhay guys. Nag-froze talaga sila. As in froze. Guys, wala. Hindi ito mabubuhay. Tingnan niyo ito. Iwan ko na lang. okay naman yung tignan, oh. Yung sa ilalim. Sana hindi yan mamatay, pero ito patay to. Ay, ginoo ko. At yung iba, ayos talaga. Tignan nyo. Ayos. Fruits, ito yung kinatatakutan. Come in! Ito yung kinatatakutan ng mga nag-garden talaga. Nag-frost talaga, guys, as in. Ayos. Ay, kawawa naman yung radish, oy. Hindi ka matabunan. Han, yung radish is ice. Oh, baby. It makes me sad, Han. Everything is not happy, guys. Oy, hala, napagod, Han. Haray, ginoo ko, napagod na gid, Han. Eh, my bread become dark. Eh, napagod. Pagod na pagod yung sa akin, Han. Eh. Bag, look, naghintay taon si Habs, oh. Hintay. Hindi talaga ako masaya sa, sa panahong ito. Yung araw naman sumikat. Pero, alam nyo ba, kahit sumikat yung araw, guys, 30 degree ngayon, 30 something degree sa labas. Pero ang pinakamataas lang na temperature is 40. Sobrang ginaw pa rin. Anyway. So yun, kakain lang ako, guys. Yung radish ni Tammy. Nag-frozen talaga yung dahon, guys.
Killed another poor helpless vegetable.
Yeah, Han, it's not, honey, don't say that, Han. I'm guilty enough.
She kills the squirrels, and then she kills our food.
This is ridiculous. I'm so sad, guys, with the radishes. And what is this? It looks okay. The other one, the lettuce. But let's see tomorrow, guys. Tomorrow is 60 degree, or later on we can check it. We have
bug. You wait. No, sit with the bug. He's waiting for his freaking bread.
Come here. Have your thing here. So, yeah. Kain lang kami, guys. Hindi kami mag-egg every day. Kasi egg is bad every day. And somebody's waiting for me there. That's my little boy. Nakaka-depress, Han. It's very depressing, Han. It's really depressing. I mean, it's beauty. Did you see beauty?
Yeah.
But it's depressing to see all the vegetables. Even the neighbors bring their flowers in. She have 2 pots outside, big one for flowers, if take it in, and the one hanging in the shed.
Shirt was damp. You can see the discoloration. It starts at the belt and works halfway up the back.
Oh my God. Are you happy you're inside? Are you happy? God, the wind is crazy too, guys. It's like freezing. And you know what? The radish, Tammy's radish, it's surviving. It's like it's surviving. Even my lettuce, I don't see the bok choy. Hindi ko nakita yung bok choy. But the lettuce is under the cover and under the whatever I put something also before the cover. It's surviving. It's growing green, dry. Kahit si Roxy natatakot na sa hangin. And guys, I am also filming the birds. Ang nakapaganda talagang camera nito, guys, is yung focus niya is grabe yung focus niya. And then, nakapost yan siya, guys. Pag may ibon na, i-ano ko lang siya i-play dito. Look. And then start recording again. And then I can stop the recording. Stop. And then again, play again. So, yun yung napakaganda nitong ano nito. Ang layo din na ang layo na maabot ng camera na to. Pero, hala guys, may ibon doon oh. Hala. May ibon. Okay, it's playing. Oh, may ibon oh. Look at the ibon guys. I'm filming this one and then I will put this sa ano. I think sa gaming channel or sa food time. It's like bird mukbang. And then yun lang siya. Nag-record lang siya dyan. Yung ibon nakakumbabit. Nakakumbabit. Hello guys. So ngayon, aalis si Tami. Nakatanggap siya ng tawag. Hold on ha. Nakatanggap si Tami ng tawag. Galing sa bunsong kapatid. Niya. Yung palagi niyang kausap. So, tumawag siya. Sabi pa, ang Tami, nagmamadaling naliligo. Kasi sabi pa niya, tumawag yung kapatid nating isa. Tumawag daw. And then, pupunta daw siya doon sa isang bahay. And ngayon, so, punta daw sila doon. So, nataranta itong isa. Kukunin daw niya yung yawi doon sa bunso. Para makapasok daw siya. Tatakbo si Tami sa isang bahay para andun siya. And then gusto ko rin kausapin ni Tami. Mag-usap naman sila parang normal, no? Hindi man sila ganun parang katulad sa atin na nag-aaway. Para silang normal nag-uusap lang. Hindi pa nga nila binigay yung hindi pa nga sila nagdesisyon na basahin yung habili ni Bianan. Wala pa talaga. November si Bianan namatay. So ano na ngayon, May? Wala pa rin, hindi pa rin nabasa yung hihintayin na lang. So tignan natin, sabi ko ayaw ko na sumama at saka dapat basahin na yung habili ni Bianan ng ina ninyo para naman wala ng problema. Ay matagal na to ba, magwa 1 year. May, June, July, August, September, October, November, 6 months to go. Si Tami ayaw ng away, pero sabi ko maging away yan kapag hindi mo prangkahin yung kapatid mo. Ipaprangka mo, bigyan mo ng yawi, wag kang kasi nakakairita din yun ba. Hi guys, alam nyo sa kakaupo ko doon, nakalimutan ko ng oras, naka-edit ako na isang video, kinat ko into 2, and kanina lang umalis si Tami, 3 o'clock na ngayon guys, 3 something, and then maligo na ako. Hi guys! Yes guys, nanonood ako ng Korean novela. Si Tami hindi pa rin tumawag. Yun, ang lakas ng hangin, hala nag-snow. Pistulang ko ba? Nag-snow. Putsak. I don't know if you can see. Ay, nako Lord. Kaloka na. Wala na nga yung snow. Nag-start na naman. Iwan ko na lang guys. So, yun. Andun sa baba yung nakalimutan kong bumili ng carrots. Mag-add. Konti na lang yung natira. Magluto ako ng carrots at saka broccoli. Tuin ko kasi naging paborito ko na talaga yun. Hala. Hala guys. Look guys. Look guys. Look. Kita ninyo guys? Snow yan guys. Hala, anyari guys. In May. Hala, ang lakas ng hangin. Hala. Hala, ginoo ko Lord. Hala, ginoo ko. Hala. Oh my God. Nakakatakot na talaga guys. It's almost 6 o'clock na guys. Ng gabi. Pero look. Yung parang kakaiba yung panahon ba oh. Can you imagine guys, Mayo? Yung snow is kakaiba siya. Yung chicken, hindi na ako dito yung chicken guys oh. Guys, dito yung chicken. Ang refrigerator namin dito, wala talaga siyang laman. Hold on guys ha. Ilagay ko lang kayo dyan. Inano ko lang siya, parang binaligtad. Hindi ko ito mag-grill. Bukas ko na to mag-grill. Hi guys, luto-luto lang ako dito. Tapos na ako sa sa gulay natin. Look, nasarapan talaga ako sa gulay na yan. Hugas na naman tayo. And yung leftover na lang pala, nanonood ako ng Korean thing. Ang lamb pala na leftover, maitim siya guys. Oh, pero maganda itong kaldero na to. Oh. Pero maitim yan, mawala yan. Hugasan natin yan. Ito yung leftover na lamb. Niluluto ko lang siya, pina-fry ko kasi mas gusto ko yung parang tosado talaga. Yung fry na fry talaga. So, kakain tayo. Hindi na nag-snow. Wala nang snow. Pero yeah, maginaw. Palabasin ko lang itong mga aso ko. Look who's here, guys. Tommy. Ang daming dala. I know, I seen that one. May dala na naman siyang knife. Winchester daw. Yung, what is that Winchester? The one that, the movie?
Guns. Not the movie. Not a supernatural character.
Yeah. And this is, I think I like this one in my bed. Is that for the outside thing?
Yeah, it's outdoor.
Huh?
Yeah.
Outdoor, or we can just put it beside of the...
Indoor, I think.
You guys can't see clearly. It's a dolphin.
So it's nice outside when you get like company. It's pretty.
I know what I know. I seen this one in her
You
room.
can put a colored bulb in it.
This is-
like a red, gold, or
Now you can see it, guys. It's a dolphin. Need cleaning. So, andito na si Tommy. Katapos lang 9 o'clock na. Katatapos lang niyang kumain. What is that? There's a what?
artwork painted on feathers
Artwork. It's a real feather.
from Costa Rica.
Really? It's a real feather, oh?
Real feathers. The guys there paint them on the feathers.
This is very unique. It's very unique. It's a real feather, guys. Kailangan ko ng kutsilyo kasi, guys, ready to attack, guys.
She said you have them here.
Like what?
Oh, those.
Oh, that?
Yeah, like these. Well, she sent you the rest of the set.
Why, anyway, why is that in here anyway? You're the one who brought it here.
What?
You're the one who brought it here, not me.
Oh, she said you really like them.
I don't brought it here. So, nag-impake, nag-ano sila dito doon, guys, di ba? Pumunta yung ano. So, naghakot na rin si Tommy. What the heck is that? That's decorative thing? Candle stuff?
Like this goes up and this hangs from it. And
Oh, it's gonna burn the house.
why is there? There's only one hanger and there's 3 of those.
Candles.
What is it? These are the candles. It's the little glass cup of the candles.
Yeah. Open the other one. Is that a real brass? Real gold? No.
No.
Old style, guys. This is old product. From 19 Forgotten.
From 19 forgot. I guess you hang like this. It goes down. So you have 3 candles going down. So you hang this up high
What? This,
and 3 candles.
that's ridiculous design. That's ridiculous.
This one. Oh,
Maybe it's
no,
flower.
I know why, because it goes like this,
And
and then the last hook goes here.
maybe you can hang flower in it.
Yeah.
Just leave it there. I'm gonna find a way to make it like decorative.
It goes like that, and the candle sits like this.
Okay.
Or the entrance.
And burn the house. That's the easy way to burn the
Oh,
house.
instead of these candles, you can put the little battery operated ones instead.
Okay, what is that? The big thing, big box here. Hindi na niya ma-fit sa ano, guys.
I don't know how the hell I'm gonna fit this crap back in here.
Don't do it because I will find way to do that decorative thing with flowers. Just leave it there. Hindi candle. I don't want to burn the house. Holy crazy,
There's a pair of those, one for each side. I tell you, you don't want them back. So no, I'm not. As long as we don't break them, you decide you get a house, you want to come get them, come take them back. Nah, that's not gonna happen. I mean, I feel bad for her. Her whole life, she saved the stuff up so she could, when she had her own house. Look how it turned out.
Life. We don't have any space sa ano, wine. Watch out, watch out. The other one is attached. This is
For
the big
water.
one. Careful.
Those are for wine, these are for water.
Oh, that's for water.
Right. And there's 8 of these. And there's supposed to be 8 of the other ones, but she said she thinks Ray broke one, so there's probably only 7 of them. Hand wash. No dishwasher. So she got 2 boxes of these.
Ano ito, pang decorative. I-decorate ko nga to. Isipan ko to kung saan ko to ilagay. Ilagay ko to sa... For now, ilagay natin sa...
What's up, cuz?
Now I can hear you better. I was really having a hard